No, here's Zoe. And there's Lena. And I'm not sure where the other one's got to. But then here's Chew, and there's Tank, and there's Trixie. So wherever they are, they're with Puff Puff. Puff Puff! There's Tara. Puff Puff! Where are the puppies? Where are the puppies? Come on, babies. Come on. I know you're in there. Come on, I see you under these. There you go. Come on, babies. Good girl, Puff Puff. Good girl. Come on, babies. Puppy, puppy, puppies. She's taking the scenic way. Look at him, look at him, yay! We got a poopy outside, yay. So, we went to the bank. We didn't go to the home improvement store, we went to the bank instead. Those ladies went gaga for these puppies. Chew can't stand that the puppy's pooping by himself. She's got to go take care of it. Mommy mode's kicking in. Where you going? Where you going? I don't know why he wants to eat that stick. And she's gonna poopy over there. So yay! Look at the grass coming up in my walkway. It's March 3rd, and the grass is coming up in my walkway. There are ducks. They're not that far. I don't know if you can zoom in on YouTube or not, but look, she likes to poop by herself, like as far away as she can. That's Charlotte. So who's ever going to get her, you might want to find a space that's like near an inside corner of the garden or underneath. Like, see how that bush has a space underneath of it, something like that, so that she feels protected and she can like poop and feel safe. So that's a suggestion. Come on, baby. Come on. Come. Oh, you gonna carry the stick? You gonna get the stick? Good girl, Zoe. Good girl. Oh, I don't think that's the same stick. And you can see where they wander, how quickly they wander. But they did really good at the bank. Mayberry again was the anxious one. The minute I took her out and somebody was holding her, she was quiet. Put her back into a container, carrier, crate. That noise just keeps coming and gets louder. So we're going to spend a few minutes out here. He tripped. We're going to spend a few minutes out here because it is a nice day and it's going to rain real soon. And oh look, there's Opie. And I think it's going to rain for the next couple of days after that. So I want to get them as much open air, free time as I can, because it's just good for them not to be in the house. It's good for them to explore stuff. It's good for them to feel different things under their feet, to know that they can go so far and that they shouldn't go any further, to be brave, explore. It just builds confidence. Zoe's just pulled a stick off the tree, and it's longer than all four of her sisters and herself put together. Let me see if I can go over there and check it out before She drops it. Nope, she dropped it. What you got there, girl? What you got? You got something to climb? You got something to climb? Yeah? And yeah, Lena made it to the top of the steps. But I've got 2 ways down now, so they're pretty safe. Okay, ready? Let's go in. Come on, let's go get some water. Yeah, let's go get some water. I think water's good. Yeah, I like some water. Come on, guys. First take a ton. Oh, wow, look how green my grass is. I didn't realize it was that green. Oh, yay. He's probably going to be cutting grass in 2 weeks. Watch, watch. I don't know what this game is. But they obviously feel comfortable chasing her back, so that's a good thing. First take a ton. Signing off. That's Trixie. She's got her herding title, or her farm dog title. I'm trying to get her a herding title, but I need to work her with some sheep and some different ducks than my ducks. Nice. Down. Down. And wait. Wait. And I think that would be good for her. So if anybody has geese on their property that live in Newcastle County and they want them off and they want to give her a chance, that would be great. Just leave me a message and we'll see if we can make it happen. First Day Catan, March 3rd. Have a good night. Bye.